Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Legend. Today we're diving into how you can use ChatGPT to plan a standout birthday celebration from start to finish. Whether you're throwing a party for kids, adults, or anyone in between, well, ChatGPT can help with everything from unique themes to personalized activities, food ideas, and more. And as always, check the pinned comment for bonus resources and extra tips to make your planning even easier. Let's get started. All right, let's start with the foundation of any memorable celebration, the theme. Choosing the right theme can truly set the mood and personalize the experience for the birthday person. Well, ChatGPT right here can help us brainstorm themes that reflect their interests and hobbies. Well, this gives us a head start on creating a party they'll never forget. So let's say the birthday person is a 10-year-old with a fascination for space. So I'll ask ChatGPT to help us brainstorm like space themed ideas for decorations, activities, and food. Here's the prompt right over here. And now, with this, let's see what ChatGPT suggests. So I'm excited to see how it will tie together that intergalactic vibe with some cool activities and party favors. All depends on the results that ChatGPT would generate once I send this over right about now. All right, so here is what ChatGPT had suggested for us for decorations. There's one for galaxy backdrop, astronaut cutouts, activities like DIY rocket launch, planet craft station. Of course, there's a few details here to help out with the ideas. And there's also food, planet pizza, rocket fruit, skewers, and galaxy cupcakes. All right, so pretty simple, I must say. And not just simple, pretty awesome ideas, too. So, with everything from planetary decorations to cosmic themed snacks, we have a strong foundation to make a space party come alive. That's like getting a mini party planner at our fingertips. Well, if you wanted to ask a bit more, just send more prompts to ChatGPT to add more food, activities, and decorations of your choice. It all depends on what interest would you want ChatGPT to generate for you. So as of now, these look might be pretty helpful, I must say. Now that we have some theme based ideas for decorations, food, and even a few activities from earlier, well, let's dive deeper into the entertainment. Since keeping everyone engaged is key to a memorable party, let's ask ChatGPT again for some additional interactive and unique activities that match our chosen theme. So, to really make this a party to remember, let's say we're planning a beach themed birthday and need more ideas for games and activities that feel refreshing and fun. So, I'll ask ChatGPT again for more beach inspired options to keep the excitement going. So here's the prompt put together right here. See, just as I stated, and then added like creative games and interactive experiences. Can I organize to keep guests entertained throughout the day? Alrighty, so let's see what ChatGPT suggests once I send this prompt over. I'm excited to get some fresh ideas to elevate the beach vibes. Alrighty. Okay, so let's see how it processes. And, ooh, I see some of them that could be more interesting right here. Uh-huh. These look fantastic, I must say. So let's go over a few of them. So we'll start sand castle building contest, and there are prizes for categories like tallest tower and most creative design. Okay, and this one right here, limbo contest, and as you already know about limbo contest, and another one, water balloon toss. You guys already know about that. And then tug of war. And lastly, for mini beach, volleyball, or soccer. Alrighty. So, adding beach ball games, water inspired challenges, and maybe, just like I said, a sand castle competition right here will definitely bring that beach atmosphere to life. So, with these extra ideas, we're sure to keep guests engaged and having a blast all day long. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. So, we touched on food briefly earlier in the first segment, but now it's time to really think about building a menu that really wows the guests. Having treats that tie into the theme is always a hit. So, let's ask ChatGPT once more for more food ideas that not only taste great, but also look the part. Since we're going all in on our beach theme from the previous segment, why not we continue it with this segment as well? So, how about we ask ChatGPT for some beach inspired snacks and drinks that keep everyone refreshed and in the summer spirit? Now, here's the prompt to come up with right over here. So I'm hoping for some fun tropical ideas that make everyone feel like they're on a mini vacation. All right, let's see. All right, so here are the following snacks and soon to be drinks that will be generated by ChatGPT. So let's go over a few of them. All right, there are also desserts. Let's see what it has, like tropical cupcakes. All right, there are a few more details here for each of these snacks and drinks. Tropical punch, as usual. There's coconut smoothies. One over here, fruit skewers. Then shrimp cocktail cups, $1 cookies, and yeah, perfect. As you can see, we have everything needed for a menu that's as fun as it is that we're delicious. So ChatGPT suggestions are spot on for creating a beachside feast that guests will remember. And that wraps up our guide to planning a unique and unforgettable birthday celebration with ChatGPT. From themes to activities and delicious menus, you're now equipped to create a party that's truly one of a kind.